keep my hands on myself. Think I'll dust them off, put them back up on the shelf.
Hey guys, so today I'm back with a new video and I'm going to show you today what I received in my letterbox. So I got the Hismile teeth whitening kit and the Hismile Day to Night toothpaste. So I'm going to show you how this baby works and I'm going to do a demo, show you how to use it and do a daily use in video so you can see the differences if there are. And at the end of the 6 days I will tell you my advice if you have to buy it or not and if it worked. And I will also show you the day and night toothpaste kit and show you how it works, how to apply it, how to use it, when, how, woo! Lots of information today. So yeah, let's get started. So the first box is the teeth whitening kit. It includes a LED light, Hismile gels, a mouth tray, the result chart and the instruction manual. The ingredients are here listed. So when I open the box, there are 3 pens. So it provides 6 uses for 6 days. And you have a manual instruction, so how it works. So that's the manual instruction, so let's have a look. The packaging is so cute. It makes me like think of candy canes. So before use, you have to brush your teeth with toothpaste. Take the battery out of the red light, remove plastic and insert the battery to turn it on. Apply a quarter of a syringe of whitening gel to the top and also to the bottom of the mouth tray. Then the lid is supposed to turn off on its own. You have to rinse your mouth with warm water and smile. Okay, so you're quite close now. So I'm going to look with this tray. Where am I? Okay, so it would be a 5 for these and these here are a 7. As you see, the syringe is graduated from quarter to quarter. Okay, my nails are disgusting, but make like you haven't seen that. And you just have to put a quarter for the bottom and a quarter for the top. Not less, not more. So let's get started. Okay, so I got my tray on the little LED light, as you can see. I'm going to apply a quarter here and a quarter here. Okay, so a quarter on the top. Ooh. Okay, so here's a quarter of gel on the mouth tray. Let's do it other side. So as you can see, there is the gel here and here. And the syringe has 2 quarters left. So the next step is to put it in your mouth and apply it for 10 minutes. So until the light goes off. So let's go. so after the first time use, my first impression was very quick, because 10 minutes you can't see it go, like it's very quick, so a very good point. But it's a bit uncomfortable in the mouth because you have to put lots of pressure, but it's okay because it's only 10 minutes. The sensation, I don't feel any particular sensation. The taste was alright, like it was very nice. It didn't burn my teeth when the light was inside. Let's see now with the mirror. I don't think there's a change though, but it's the first use, so I keep on doing like the other days and we'll see. After the first use, I'm going to use the guideline to see if there's any changes. Okay, so let's see. I was at 5, if you remember. Okay, so I'm still at a 5 and yes, still at a 7, so we'll see with the other uses. Hi guys, so we're at day 6, the last day. I did my last treatment and now let's see if there's a change. I'm going to take the guideline and show you a close-up if there's a changement or not. So remember, I was at a 5 in front and 7 here. I think I'm a 4. I'm a 4 now, and here I was a 7. and a 5. But as you can see, there are dots that appeared here and here. So I'm a 4 on the front teeth and a 5 here. So it worked, but I would have thought that a bit more. Like my goal was to be like a bright white, but I think that you can only achieve that at a dentist. I used the kit plus the toothpaste kit. At the same time, so maybe it made it work more with the toothpaste, I don't know, but there are like white spots that appear on my teeth, so that's quite a bad point. So knowing the price compared to dentists, it's quite attractive, but it doesn't work. So isn't it like better to put aside and have like bright white teeth from the dentist that's a professional? Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video if you liked what you saw, and don't forget to subscribe to support me and to be notified for my next videos that are coming up very soon. Like I'm expecting to put every Wednesday a video. So yeah, bye!